So I eventually got up with this electric trolley motors and the low speed they provide. I've got this one. It's Bison. It's 80 lobs or trust, 80-pound trust electric motor. It's got the power to do it. The only problem is that it's the prop. So I'm fed up with not finding the right prop. You can't buy these, unfortunately. They always try to um, reinsure themselves that you're not going to burn the motor and stuff like that. So that's why always the prop is undersized. So to top it up, my prop is a left hand prop, so it spins anti-clockwise. Most of them spin clockwise, so you can't find this. So I will make this from scratch. I know it's not gonna be like the proper ones, but I guess I will succeed to a degree. So I'm going to fiberglass this, then I will cut off the cardboard, then I will fiberglass the underside, then paint it black. It should do the work. I'll keep you posted. And that's halfway through the process. And I know it looks filthy, but it's gonna be improved. So that's after a few layers of fiberglassing. I'll probably do one more tomorrow, but it's getting shape. Okay. First time this goes in, so we'll check for any vibrations, and if I have to, we'll stabilize it. Looks pretty cool. It's blowing air on the back. I think it's gonna be really fast. I love it. Right. So from this point, I'm not going to even bother balancing it. It's balanced. It doesn't vibrate as much. I'm happy with it. And so I'm just going to make it beautiful. I'll fill the holes here and there where it's imperfections, and I'll spray it. Stay tuned. Right, so after I know the prop is fine and it doesn't vibrate, it doesn't shake, and it does the job, I'm just going to make it beautiful now. I've got this filler that I used to make the boat, and I'm just going to basically fill the imperfections, then sand it, and then paint it. Can't wait to get on the water and see what it does. Right, put the filler. It looks messy, it looks horrible, but I'll sand it now and I'll spray it and see what happens. Right, so just got the prop on. It was really difficult because I had to use these doctor's things and basically just go in and over there inside. I don't know if you can see properly, but there is a pin. There is a pin that goes into the bolt, into the shaft, so the nut doesn't come out, and that was the fiddliest thing ever. But it's done. Now I'm going to put it on the boat. Try it. Right, it's now all installed now. It's balanced. Just give it a try. It's blowing quite much air. That means we'll move the boat fast. Can't wait to go and test it. That's gonna happen. And the time came to test it, so we're just next to the water now, over there. I'm going to launch the boat in a minute, and we're going to see what the new prop is doing. Is it going to fail? Is it going to do the trick? Let's see, we'll find out in a minute. So we're almost launching it now. I'm just doing it on my own, so it's a bit tricky. What is gonna happen? That's the prop almost touching the water. And that's it, got in now the water. I will drop the outboard in its fully down position in a minute. I'll just put the batteries on and we'll find out what's going on, what's happening. Trailer will go back in the car. I'll have to just dismantle it in a minute and we'll be ready to go away and test the motor. Right, it's all ready. Beautiful red prop is in. Can't wait to see if it spins or not. We'll find out now. We got super volted. Don't laugh, mate. I don't even know what's going to happen. It doesn't do what I wanted. I think it's way too big.
Slow it down then.